Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can assign a parent item to an issue or item on or in your GitHub project. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your project on GitHub, and there are two ways how you can do this. The first option would be to simply create a sub issue for an item. To do that, navigate to the given item, and here under the issue description, you will see that button create sub issue. If you click into the drop-down menu, you will be given the opportunity to create a completely new sub issue by clicking into this button, or by using the shortcut Alt-C, or by linking the given issue with another existing issue by pressing this button or Alt-A on your keyboard. That's option number one. However, guys, there's also option number two. You can, for example, assign or connect two items and make one of it the parent item of another one. So, or issue, for example. Head over to your issue, and here to the right, guys, you will see that relation tab here. So you will see I assigned already a parent issue for that one, and let me do the same for this issue too. Click into it, select relations or relationships, and you will see these three options: add parent, mark as blocked by, mark as blocking. We're only the first option is relevant for us. So select add parent, and after that select an issue from your repository. Of course, they will need to qualify for that. So as you can see, I have no items left for that. But as you can see, guys, if I head over to that example issue here, you will see that there's a parent issue, which in this case here is in this one here. So, and you will see that item also listed as a sub issue inside the menu of the parent issue. So let me just remove that connection and show you again how to make that connection through that menu here, relationships, add parent. And after that, you will see these available issues that may qualify as parent issues. So select the one you'd like to go with. And now these two have been connected. There you will see the parent issue listed here. That's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.